Hello and welcome to this video. We're going to install the desktop server by Serverpress this time. So if you do a search for desktop server, you will find it listed under Serverpress. And we're going to use the free version, which you can see listed here as Apache, MySQL, PHP 5. Includes WordPress, supports domain mapping, doesn't support multi-site, doesn't support PHP version 7, doesn't cost $99.95. You'll have to go through a checkout process to even get the free version, which is quite reasonable, but I've already gone round that loop once, so I'm going to go to my downloads directory, and I have downloaded the zip from the purchase. I have unzipped it into this directory here, and we can now install. Warning, if you have any of the other programs that we are working with installed and working, they will conflict with each other because they're all using similar copies of Apache, PHP, etc. So if you have any, let me just clear that administrative message off. There we are. If you have any of the others installed, they will conflict. So I'll accept the license fee. I want a new installation, and we will come back when it's ready. And there we are, the installation is now finished, and we've got a shortcut item for us as well. So we can close all these windows down and launch our desktop server. Again, we need administrative privileges. We can start the services. And there we are, we have our system working. Except we need to set up a site for it, so let's start creating a new site. Example.dev.cc seems like a good idea. We've only got one WordPress blueprint to work from. This is the directory it's going to be stored in, and this is the name of the website it's going to be called. So we'll just wait for that to be created. It'll take a few seconds. And there you have it. Taking around a minute to copy all the files over, set up the virtual host and set up the database. It's not bad really. So we can click next now and we can install that version. So all the files are copied, everything's set up. All we need to do now is just name the login details. So we go continue, give the site a title, username admin, password admin, confirm a weak password, and finish off the install. There we are, it's all now configured, so we can go admin. Nice thing about local sites, you don't have to worry about complicated passwords. And here we have our site. So we now have a working site which we can now work on. And as before, I'm going to delete the given plugins so it's nice and clean. So there we have a version of the site running on desktop server. We can have multiple sites, but if we go beyond 3, then we're going to need the pay the license, but we can create a second one if we want to, and have multiple sites running here, but we'll stick to one just for now. So we can visit the site, we can visit the admin dashboard directly. Of course you have to log in if you haven't already, and we can also use MySQL MyAdmin for PHP MyAdmin, should I say, to look at the MySQL databases. and there I believe is our example database. Yep. So again, very easy to set up a site, probably the easiest one of all of them to set up. And we'll go on to the next stage and have a look at the next development site we can use, which is WAMP server.